Knife Collector the Netherlands again. My name is Henk and this is part 6 of my knife sale. Maybe you picked it up in the last video, but I'm heading towards another direction with knife collecting. So I have some high-end production knives for sales. These are all folding knives. None of these knives is used and all come with box and paperwork and are in pristine condition. First of all, a big knife. I have two Spyderco MIRAGE design K2. It's a big knife. Very big knife. This knife is made, the blade steel is CPM 10V. This is one of the best blade steels you can have at this moment. This steel will keep its edge forever. Full titanium handle, very robust, strong knife, no lock stick. This model suffers quite some lock stick in most of the knives, but this one has no lock stick at all. Pretty expensive knife. I don't know the exact value, but this I will look it up. If you are interested in one of these knives, my email address is mentioned in the description box. So shoot me an email and we work something out. Mir K2 from Spyderco. Another Spyderco. Everyone knows the paramilitary. This is the paramilitary 2, black coated version with F30V steel. Gorgeous EDC knife. Also collectible for some people. Of course with the compression lock, smooth, very fun to play with. Well centered, pristine condition. Paramilitary 2 black coated version. Next, the Benchmade mini pocket rocket. This is the black coated version and it's the first iteration with the titanium pocket clip. Benchmade 755 MPR mini pocket rocket, titanium liner or frame, G10 on the presentation scale, black coated M390 steel. Very smooth, pretty expensive knife. It's a Shane Siebert design, the designer who also made the Adamas and the 757 Vicar. Is also a fixed blade of him. Small, sturdy, hard use knife, but also very collectible. This one is hard to find now these days. Next, this is the McHenry and Williams design Benchmade 710 D2 steel blade. This is highly modified. Regular iterations of this model have G10 backspacer. This one has standoffs, so it's an open flow-through design. Normally they come with the standard Benchmade clip. This has the deep carry pocket clip. Slim design, very smooth in operating, very fun to play with. So this is a one-off because of the modifications. Open flow-through design, deep pocket carry clip. Very nice knife. And also pristine condition. Next from Benchmade, this is the 950 Rift in the black edition. I have an extra pocket clip for this one. The Rift is an Osborne design, just like the Contigo and the 940 series. Very smooth knife, one of the smoothest access locks I have had. Good centering, very tight tolerances, enormous action, no blade play. This is a very nice knife. The Benchmade Rift. And finally, a ZT. This one is out of production. This was one of the first ZTs with which they gained success with the hard use folders. It is the ZT 0200 non-assisted flipper knife. Very robust, very stout knife, very nice lockup, thick steel liners, thick G10 slabs. It's the Canadian design, of course. .154 cm steel. Nice pocket clip. This is an excellent knife. Of this knife there are lots of reviews. The thumb studs can be used. And it flips also. Okay. Interested in one of these knives? Send me an email. It's in the description box. I will look up the value and we will work something out. That's it for now. Thanks for your attention. Bye bye.